So, welcome to another Learn Clojure video. In this video, we are going to create a jar file and use the jar file in our Clojure project. So, we are going to create a Java program, convert that into a jar file, and we are going to use it in Clojure. The reason why I'm putting this chapter in my book is look, maybe you might be having some Java libraries coded by your colleagues or something like that, and your project is moving to Clojure for high productivity and they don't want to recode it, right? So they might give you as a jar and something like that, or you might request them as a jar. But then how to use those jar files? Okay, so that's what we are going to see. So of course, yeah, you can clone this project. Otherwise, you can create a directory called create jar, and you can cd into it, and you can have a class called helloprinter.java. So I've got this project over here. Of course, I cloned it, right? So there is a package called myjar. Okay, so this has got helloprinter.java. So that's it. All it does is it just prints, okay, hello world from jar, right? That's it, right? So now let me just delete it. I'm just deleting it because I know what I'm just doing. But if you are not sure what you're doing, yeah, just have it. Just copy this jar file to the final project we are going to be doing in the section, right? So and I'll also be deleting this folder, right? So that's the thing, right? Okay, how to delete this folder, right? Delete, move to trash. Okay, yeah, fine, right. Okay, so we have got a package called, okay, if you don't know Java, don't worry. If you want to become a Clojure programmer, you don't need to know Java. So don't worry. And but yeah, it's for Java programmers, for people who are interested in Java programming. I'm just explaining. So you've got this package called myjar. In Java, package means nothing but a folder. So you just put a folder called myjar, and you just write this thing. So what will happen is if you call this hello printer, and in that if you call this method like this print hello, it'll just print like hello world from jar. That's it. Okay. So now we are somehow going to converting this Java source code to a jar file. So jar means actually Java archive. Okay, so where I think all your classes and all are bundled so that Java can use it. So that's the thing, right? So I'll be using this command like Java -d and then Java classes. This is the folder where all those Java classes are going to be stored. And I'm just going to say okay, convert this into jar. Okay, so that is my jar and hello printer dot Java, right? So that's the thing. And what I'm just going to do is okay, here is a terminal in my VS Code, right? So, okay, so let me just paste it over here, right? Hopefully it works, right? So you've got this thing called Java classes over here and something dot hello printer dot classes there. Even if you open it, I don't think you'll see anything because this is not a text file. This is a blob or binary file, and this is actually the kind of object code of Java, where I think this can be run with the Java program and all those stuff. But yeah, we are going to package it into a jar file, right? So that's the thing, right? To do that, we are going to run this command, right? Jar cf follow printer.jar and -c Java classes. And after this Java classes, we are going to give a dot. That means okay, package everything into jar file, whatever is in this folder Java classes. Okay, so don't ask me how it works and all the stuff. I myself don't know much. I just refer the internet and I just did it. Okay, so yeah, I'll just put this. You should be seeing a jar file. So you've got this hello printer.jar, right? So now what we need to do is we just need to take this and we need to copy this and we need to put it in another folder, right? So okay, okay. So what I'm just doing is I'm just going to okay reveal in Finder, right? So we have it over here, right? So that's the thing. And I think we can just close this project. Okay, so and we can open the project where we are going to use this jar file. But of course, let me go to my book because this video is for my book. Okay, so maybe you can create a project called lean new hello jar CLC. So That's where I'm going to use my jar file, right? And this is where I just put my jar file. Okay, so hello printer.jar inside the directory lib. Okay, so that's the thing. But I have cloned this repo over here. So let me just open it. Okay, so uh, okay, so right. Okay, now I think I need to open this one. So okay, here what I'm just going to do is like I'm just going to create a directory called lib, right? And I'm going to copy and paste it over here, right? So right. Oh yeah, let me just move it right now. Just move it, right? And that's it. So this has been moved. So now all I just need to do is, okay, in my project.clj, I just need to say that, okay, right? So this resource, that is this jar is in lib slash hello printer.jar, okay? And my main is like hello jar clj.code. So over here, this is my main. And of course, like, and this will get executed. So just see how I'm importing this jar file. Import my jar, hello printer, right? So my jar is nothing but the package which we put over here, like while we are creating the jar. So we just put it over here, right? So that's the thing. And from that, we are importing hello printer, and we're just calling hello printer slash print hello. Print hello is nothing but the function what we wrote over here. So this is how easy it is to use a jar file in Clojure. But of course, yeah, this is academic setting, not a real world. So in real world, yeah, you could be facing a lot of stuff. So like now, let me just run it. So I'll just put lean run and yes, hello world from jar. So it's going over here to this lib. Okay, importing this one, fetching the class and executing the method in the class. That's how it is. Anyway, that's how you create a jar and you can use it in your Clojure projects. Maybe if you're inheriting a project where there are a lot of Java stuff and people can compile those stuff into jar files and give it to you, well and good. You can still use it and you can still carry on with Clojure. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.